I'm Degisew Bayih from Hawassa University, Ethiopia. I am currently in the lecturer position in Environmental Science Department. Okay, to evaluate the overall evaluation of this training or this course, my knowledge, the last knowledge is overall or the general science. So to evaluate from this training to my knowledge, this training is the detailed science covered. From the Hawassa University, the course structure or the course arrangement is very clear, and I am appreciate your course structure. According to my short year of experience, not suggestion or comment for the Hawassa University or this institution. The participant background and the participant self-introduction presentation, I get our above the expectation. So I get many experiences from the participants. To improve the clean and affordable energy, to create community awareness, and to improve or initiate the government and the non-governmental trainings or from the solar energy or clean and affordable energy. So to improve the clean and affordable energy, to training the communities how to install, how to maintain, and how to utilize this clean and affordable energy. I present this course or this training. This is the pass from or a shift polluting energy from clean and affordable energy. And also this course is concentrate the global goals, goal 7 to achieve that goal is clean and affordable energy.